Hi everyone, welcome to BIM-Clue Revit tutorial. In this series of video tutorial, we're going to focus on the MEP modeling of cold water and sanitary plumbing services. We're going to have 25 sessions of tutorials guiding you from beginners to advanced level. You will have a chance to learn from an industry expert that experienced in Revit. The tutorial is based on actual project example. Therefore, you will have a solid experience of Revit modeling on the actual project after completing the tutorial. You will learn basic operation of Revit until the advanced modeling level. On top of that, we will share some technical knowledge and site experience during the tutorial. The most important thing is there's no limitation and experience required for you to start with this tutorial. All you need to know about Revit plumbing modeling can be found in this tutorial. This is the example of our video tutorial. We have clear English subtitle, mouse click and keyboard display allow you to have a better understanding of the process throughout the tutorial. On top of modeling techniques, you will be equipped with the ability of producing schedule, quantity takeoff, and drawing production. I gotta tell you that this step-by-step Revit tutorial is definitely worth for you to go through, either you are a beginner or a professional that always seeking a chance to improve yourself. Don't worry, if you face any problem or you have any question throughout the tutorial, please contact us and we will guide you through. BIM-Clue is also providing tutorial on structure, architecture, and MEP modeling. If you follow us along the way, you will surely become an expert on Revit modeling.